Teachers asked me for a song that teaches ing. Here it is. There's a ing in king. There's an ing in king, I-N-G. There's an ing in bring, I-N-G. There's an ing in swing, I-N-G. There's an ing in sing, I-N-G. I am going, I-N-G. I am coming, I-N-G. I am playing, I-N-G. I am stopping, I-N-G. Create playful memory hooks through music and sign language. But first, review ing with fingerspelling, I-N-G. The transfer to writing after children have been singing this song over and over is powerful because they have the song in long-term memory. And again, emotional engagement is the key to all powerful learning. We make learning playful and more memorable by creating crowns, the king of ing. This is a great time for another short, focused handwriting lesson. We're teaching good handwriting through our heartword lessons. We come back to our song over and over again. All week we're singing, there's an ing in king, I-N-G. We're brainstorming ing words and making lists. Intentional teaching is close coaching. While children are making those crowns, we're going around and saying, how do you spell ing? Show me how you fingerspell ing. And when the little girl comes up and says, I'm not the king, I'm the queen, you can say, yes, you're the queen of the king of ing. Now find ing words in Elephant and Piggy books. Mo Willems' books are filled with ing words. In fact, the children decided Mo Willems probably learned about the king of ing when he was in kindergarten. The king of ing lesson inspired long lists of words, class books, and powerful memory hooks forever. One class said, let's find 100 ing words. The 100th day of school is coming. They actually found 105. Now you'll always remember how to write ing at the end of a word. Here's one more opinion writing word for joyful pathways to the Common Core. Favorite. We want children to be able to write, my favorite book is, and for this song, we're going to just fingerspell the V and the silent E. Favorite is my favorite new word. Favorite is my favorite new word. I bet you have a favorite color. Talk to your writing buddy, and when you hear me singing, turn back around. Use the talk and sing strategy. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite food? I bet you have a favorite pet. Favorite is my favorite new word. Who has a favorite place they like to visit? Favorite is my favorite new word. Over and over, the children practice talking about my favorite color, my favorite food, my favorite pet. So they build that language for the Common Core. And yes, they can always fancy up their anthology page. Some children need more support. Use parent volunteers for additional heartword work. Teachers invite 4th or 5th grade reading buddies to help less experienced learners practice their heartwords. All the needed props are organized for ease of use. The beginning of the year, children engage in many independent heartword writing activities. They take pride in finding heartwords, and clipboards and visors make reporting on heartwords much more fun. Writing teaches reading in kindergarten, especially if you simultaneously teach good handwriting. We recognize that children are active and social learners. We sing and sign, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. And soon children practice reading those words in the context of a real song. Simultaneously, we're building that oral language and reading fluency. This is so important, especially for our English language learners. Writing workshop is where the writing process is taught and phonics skills are practiced in an authentic context. And we expect children to correctly spell the heart words that have been introduced. Automaticity with high-frequency words and handwriting frees the brain for the hard work of encoding sounds to print. Children learn there are two types of words. Words they are expected to know by heart, and words that they listen to, stretch out, and write the sounds for. Writing workshop is where teachers systematically develop those phonics-based spelling skills, and again, we expect heart words to be spelled conventionally. About those whiteboards, we make our own. Attach black socks with a 1-inch ring. Use black dry erase markers and teach children how to use them. Teach them how to take it off, take the top off, and put it back on. If you don't hear a click, the marker will get sick. And teach them to use the black sock, not their fingers, for erasing the boards. We use a skill saw to round the corners. Build writing stamina and fluency with pink and purple heart words, and especially heart word sentences. The old look and say method of teaching important sight vocabulary is not nearly as effective as this engaging, multisensory, sing, sign, spell, writing to read approach. Children deserve automaticity with high-frequency sentences. I love you. I see my mom. I like the cat. I have a dog. This is my house. My book. The end. Create visual displays of high-frequency heart words, using private rituals or community celebrations to acknowledge when children reach their goals. Children deserve crystal clear targets to accelerate their learning, and every child should know exactly what their current heart word target is. And if I ask them, how many of the words do you know so far? They should know where they're at and the words that they're still working on. Every teacher creates a unique, systematic, and playful plan to celebrate learning. Here, a crown that the boy gets to wear while he demonstrates mastery. I'm the king of the purple heart words. If required, weave your mandated literacy program words into the yellow and green heart word sets, or create one more set. But build stamina with these pink and purple heart words, and especially the sentences. Make sure more proficient students have big challenges. Don't let those strong early readers become lazy writers. Writing teaches reading. Good readers look for words they know. A growing set of words that the child can instantly read and write is still the hallmarks of a proficient reader. By the end of the year, children are writing and publishing their own books. We add our heartword songs to our collections of delightful language, our I Can Read anthology notebooks, and parents and teachers consider these treasures. Promote the active use of skills within a rich web of oral language and joyful, meaning-centered literacy. Handwriting matters. Heart words build writing stamina. Writing teaches reading.